Still waiting on Freightliner to deliver those parts. It's been all day. They said maybe 1 or 2 o'clock. It's 3:30. So while I'm waiting, I wasn't going to, but I'm going to try to get this roller out of there. Normally I just put the brakes on over it because it's rusted in place. It's been there 20 years. I got a ball joint clamp on there and hit it with the impact and it still wasn't moving, so I'm going to put some heat on it and see if that gets it. Well, it looks like that did it. Alright, I'll do that on the other one too. I just knocked this one bushing out with the air hammer, air chisel, with this tip. I don't know if I can get a view of the tip. I just knocked this one bushing out with the air hammer, air chisel, with this tip. I don't know if I can get a view of the tip that I'm using here. There it is. It's kind of limited access room to get to it, but it worked. I can use a torch and get it out. I'm more used to doing it that way. But I'll try it with this air chisel here again on the other one. Kind of made a mess of the hole a little bit. I had to stick a file in there and clean it up. See how much damage I did to this hole. A lot. Nothing serious. This is kind of soft metal though. Okay, opened up the hardware kit and I got these rollers and new bushings out. I don't know if I even got room to hammer them in from the outside with this hub here. I'll try. Doesn't take much to put them in because they got a little split on one side there. Okay, get these pins out here. First thing you gotta do is knock these suckers in this hole that's about 4 inches back from the end. This over here is about 2 inches back. That's not the hole we're using. This one's 4 inches back. That's the one we need. Put this in there. Giving me trouble. They have to get a pliers and hold on to the inside. Hold it in the middle. I can't get it in one hit and it's bouncing out of there. There it is. Now, everybody's been telling me that it's easier if you hook these shoes together. Well, they say go ahead and put these rollers in first. They're telling me it's easier to just hang these together like this and pick them up and put them on there like that. It ain't easier for me, not yet anyway. I'll try to stay out of the way of the camera while I do this. Well, the top one's in place, but the bottom one's not. There, that might be it. Okay. Paint had the spring glued shut. guess that wasn't too bad. I gotta clean this brake drum off. It's full of oil, greasy stuff. Tighten up the brakes without wrestling over the tires. Well, I'm going to tighten it up anyway, the brake shoes, and then put the tires on it, and then we'll just loosen the brake shoe and retighten it. It'll only be just a little bit of adjusting after that. That's just a quick pre-adjustment. I have to check it again after I put the tires on because the drum's not on tight. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down and call this video done. Thanks for watching.